Want to use hearing loops? Let's take a look at how to use the telecoil adapter with your Rondo 3 audio processor.
Rondo 3's telecoil adapter is a plug-in device that allows you to use hearing loops in public venues, as well as telecoil-enabled phones. To use it, first gently open the rubber socket cover at the bottom of Rondo 3. Remove the telecoil adapter from the case and take off the rubber cover. Ensure that Rondo 3 is turned on and plug the telecoil adapter into the socket. Rondo 3 will now automatically pick up the signal from the hearing loop or neck loop. To deactivate the telecoil function, remove the telecoil adapter from the audio processor. Please note that the input selection key, MT, of the fine-tuner Echo has no effect on the telecoil adapter. Your healthcare provider can adjust the loudness of the adapter for each audio processor program.
Now you can enjoy using hearing loops and telecoil-enabled phones.